This is the story of it all. Every rise, every fall, told with vision, truth standing tall. Same foundation through it all. Yeah, the story of it all. Every moment, great and small, not rewritten, just revealed. Timeless words brought fresh and real.
I want to talk about the beginning, creation, the story of how everything began. When we start from the very beginning, we know there was absolutely nothing, just dark, empty space. It was a moment of silence, but then something incredible happened. God spoke. When God speaks, things happen. All he has to say is the word. Can you believe it? With just his words, he said, "Let there be light." And just like that, light burst into existence, illuminating the darkness. God saw that the light was good. God decided to separate the light from the darkness. He named the light day and the darkness night. This was the end of the first day. Now on the second day, God wanted to create a space between the waters, so he made a sky. He gathered the waters together and said, "Let there be a firmament." And just like that, the sky took shape, stretching out above the earth. God called this expanse heaven, and he looked at it and said it was good too. This was the end of the second day. On day 3, God gathered the waters again, letting dry land appear. He called the dry land earth and the waters seas. God told the earth to grow plants and trees. What's fascinating is that God just didn't create plants, but he commanded the earth to bring them forth. As a nature lover, I can only imagine how beautiful the fields of greenery looked. Beautiful flowers of every shape and color. God saw all of this and declared it good. This was the end of the third day. Now, here comes the stellar part, the fourth day. God created lights to rule over the day and night. He made the sun to shine brightly during the day, giving warmth and light, while the moon and stars twinkled in the night sky. What's more, God placed them in the sky to help mark time, days, seasons, and years. Imagine our world without them. God looked at this creation and saw that it was good. This was the end of the fourth day. On the fifth day, God was ready to fill the skies and waters with life. He created all kinds of fish to swim in the oceans and birds to soar through the sky. He blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply." So the seas and skies began to explode with life. God looked upon all of this and deemed it good. This was the end of the fifth day. On the sixth day, God created animals, lions, tigers, bears, oh my. Each one was carefully designed, but here's when it gets really interesting. God said, "Let us make mankind in our image and our likeness." That means humans were created with a unique connection to God. He shaped Adam, the first man, and then made Eve, the first woman, as his companion. They were given a task to care for the earth and all its creatures. This was the end of the sixth day, and God saw that it was very good, not just good, very good. Finally, on the seventh day, God finished his immense work and rested. He didn't need to rest, but he chose to. He took a breath, relaxed, and enjoyed what he had created. This day became special. It was blessed and set apart as a day of rest. It's a reminder for us, too, about the importance of taking a break and appreciating our surroundings. Wow. In just 7 days, God created everything from the vast universe to the small creatures around us. Everything changed in just 1 week. Each step was intentional, full of purpose and beauty. You are intentional as well. Do you know that even in the beginning, God already had you in mind?
Just clearing view, so every word can feel brand new. The beginning.